how to make a framed American flag. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. What's going on, everybody? I'm going to be making the frame for an American flag. And to make the frame, I'm going to use furring strips, and I'm going to stain them with the stain right here. I have a couple of gloves and I have a rag to do so. The wood is stained. It's still wet right now, so I'm gonna give it a day to dry. Here's the label from the flag I purchased from Harbor Freight. It's 3 feet by 5 feet. There's the part number, and the wood is ready to be cut. I'm getting ready to do that right now. 4 pieces outline it. I'm gonna cut the corners at 45-degree angles. This flag is actually short of 3 feet by 5 feet. So I have it measured out here, but what I think I'm gonna do instead is just actually take the wood, lay it on top, and then make my markings on the actual flag just to make it quicker and easier. I have the wood cut out. Just did 45s on all of the corners. And after I cut the top, I took that and set it on top of the bottom to get the exact same cut. And then once I cut one of the sides, I did the same thing, put it on top of the other side and just cut it the exact same so that I know we're symmetrical. And there's some spaces here where you can see the white and where it sticks out right here. I'm going to pull it tight when I staple it on so you won't see any of that. And this is a very important part of doing this. I am going to drill out the hole first, and then I'm going to drive in my screw. I'm going to do one in every single corner. This wood is very thin, and if you don't drill it out first, you're going to split it. So you need to drill your hole first, put your screw in, and you should be all set. All right, that's one corner done. Just gonna repeat that 3 more times. The flag is pretty much done. It's got some staples on the back of it just to hold it in place. And I might add a couple more in some spots. Then this part right here, I'm going to trim it off along the back. Here is the finished flag. And when you're working along the back, if there's any overhang, as you can see, I just cut it. And on this side, See, I just cut it as well and then put several staples in to hold it in place. The last thing I'm going to do is get this up into the garage. With this project complete, I want to take a moment to recognize some great men who have served. My good friend Dave, who served in the Marines. My good friend John, who also served in the Marines. And my mentor, Randy Detroit Hayward, who served in the Air Force. Thank you all for your service. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.